Hi, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to send friend invitation in Monopoly Go. So you don't need to connect your Facebook account, you can go ahead and play as a guest. So once you're in here, tap on the friends icon at the bottom right, and then tap on the invite green button, then orange button. Now you can look for the copy button there so that you can get the link, but in my case, I don't have one, so I'll just go ahead and send it directly to my friend via Messenger. Now this is on my friend's account and it should look like this when you share that link. Once your friend is done downloading Monopoly Go and they're good to go. Now as you can see, when I go back to my profile and I go to timeline, the one that I invited minutes ago is now under my timeline. And as you can see here, my friend is also on my leaderboard and I can attack them during shutdown. Now we can go ahead and tap switch opponent and then you can choose your friend. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel.